Do you want to say it's Carrie and Shaun? Or
Sure. It's Carrie and Shaun from Owning Toronto.
We're here at Playter Estates. Hi everyone, it's Carrie and Shaun from Owning Toronto.
And we are here in Playter Estates. We are sitting on the front porch of this beautiful house in Playter Estates, and it's a bit of a treat doing something this big, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. You guys are in for a treat, so go get a coffee because it's going to be at least 1 million minutes.
It might be a little less than that, but
We're going to try
for a bit of a theme this time. I'm going to talk about how this house would be great for a single family home and an income suite. And Carrie, you're going to say?
I think it should be a bed and breakfast.
Repeatedly throughout our entire time.
Absolutely 1000%.
Okay, let's go have a look.
Okay. Before we get started, I mean, yes, this place is nice, but genius!
That's genius level planning right there.
For your soda pops.
Right? Check out this little front porch that we're sitting on, that we were sitting on before, and it's so nice. The little door going off to the side, right into the living room. We'll see that when we go inside.
There's a great park, school across the street.
School across the street. And this is where you get your mail every day.
Why?
Come on.
That's where everybody gets their mail.
Right?
No. I wish.
Yeah. Okay, so this house has got to be over 100 years old.
It certainly is.
Yeah.
And let's not bypass the front foyer, please. Look at this.
Holy moly.
That is a proper closet.
So renovations and things have happened and throughout this house through the years, obviously. It's due for another round of renovations, I would say. But it's also, you could just move right into this place right away. This is a nice living room. This is the inside of that door I was talking about that takes you right out to the front porch. Your fireplaces, your mantelpieces. It's so turn of the century, not this past century, but the one before. It's so very nice. A little powder room right here. Bathrooms are a major theme throughout this place. You might notice this stairway leading off to the side and then upstairs. We're gonna get to all of that. It's gonna be a bit of a journey, this one.
Yeah, if we don't get lost. We might repeat a room or two.
We might.
Okay, so storage galore everywhere that you look. So there's a little bit of storage here.
Yep.
And then you look over here into the dining area.
Look at how nice that is, right?
Another built-in pantry, I guess?
Yeah. Place to put all your stuff for when you're having guests over and you're having a fancy dinner. But that's really nice. And this whole dining and living area, which goes into this open concept kitchen, I think is really nice for, a family to live in and make use of. Carrie thinks it would be.
Yeah, exactly. Or this would be a great communal area for the bed and breakfast, right? You bring yourself someone like a proper chef who cooks the breakfast and the dinner and leaves out croissants for lunch or something.
Right. Yeah.
And this is where you would eat. You put another table here and another table there. It would be cool.
Yeah, and just a little loungy area in the front where people can hang out and for the common areas, right?
Well, yeah, but for purposes of talking about the functionality of this kitchen's beautiful. Although this house could use a little bit of love, I haven't looked at the inspection report yet, so I'm sure there's all kinds of things that could go on with a space this size. Yeah. It's very updated if this is your style. It's beautiful. We
should say too, it's not in any state of disrepair.
No.
Inspection reports of a house this old are always going to have a few surprises in them. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. We haven't checked yet. But it is really, this place has been loved by the people that have lived in it. 20 years, the current owners.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt that there'd been some designer along the way who's helped out with it, because you've got your beautiful gas range, stove, you got your KitchenAid, fridge with the bottom freezer, and then you've got your Maytag dishwasher.
Right. So relatively new looking stuff.
Yeah.
And the island here with more storage and more covered space and drawers. And then heading out right into the backyard. Maybe let's have a quick peek at the backyard.
Yeah, let's do that. Oh, and the beautiful stone It really didn't take that much work to open.
It's just been a long day.
I'm just old.
Nice backyard. There is a garage, detached garage from the house as well. You share that with your neighbor on the other side, so it's semi-detached to their garage, but detached from your own house. Great little sitting space back here. They've really done a nice job. It's really pretty. The theme of the blue and the white throughout is very nice. Great space for your barbecue.
Barbecuing.
Yeah.
Bricked. Okay.
Yes.
Do we want to head downstairs?
Yeah, let's head down. So the basement.
Headroom. Let's start with what everybody
Headroom?
worries about. I think that there's plenty.
Yeah, I mean this is the space
Bulkhead.
here where your bulkhead is, and my head's fitting under it with room to spare. It has a little kitchen down here, obviously.
Yeah, totally
I'm just going
functioning.
to duck over to the side and show the bedroom real quick, Carrie.
Sure.
So the bedroom, which does open back around, so it's a little open concept-y, but it works. It's really nice. Head back this way and just touch in on the fact that you've got this little kitchen down here. So this is, starter number one for an income suite. You can have someone living down here, no problem. It's a big space.
Yeah, it's completely separate, and at the same time, you could still. I think your washer dryer's over that way.
Yeah, there is a washer dryer over here. There's also another washer dryer upstairs.
Which the family can access from this entry over here.
So there is we just passed by a little entrance here. So that's the side entrance to the house, and that door, and then you go around that corner, and there's stairs that lead upstairs. So this basement goes on forever, and honestly,
there's a workout room.
Yeah, you could put another apartment down here. There's another bathroom here. This bathroom needs a lot of love, but everything's there for your rough-ins to do a new one. And then you even have another little space around here. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe you could make this into a kitchen. Anything. You can easily have two places down here.
Yeah, a bachelor probably would be most ideal.
And so to go to your bed and breakfast theory, Carrie, you have someone that looks after the bed and breakfast, your chef and stuff. This is your mechanical room. Just a quick peek into that. 400 amp electrical service. Everything is upgraded and new in that. Your bed and breakfast person that's running it can live down here, no problem.
I think you're turning on to the bread and breakfast team.
Well, maybe. Okay, we're gonna head upstairs. Okay, so heading up from the basement, this is the side door we mentioned before. We're gonna head back around the corner and head upstairs. But that is the front entrance there, the main living room, the little powder room we showed before. And let's go have a look in the second floor. Look at this!
Tastefully done too. The whole place has been painted.
Yeah.
So, that's done.
Yeah. It's so move in and live in it, no problem. Here's a bedroom here, really quickly, just to stop and have a peek. And closet space. That's a deep closet there.
Oh, good.
Really nice.
It's a decent sized bedroom. There's large furniture here, and they chose to put a single bed. You could put a queen in here with 2 side tables and a dresser in the corner, no problem.
Yeah, tons of room.
Yeah. Are we going into the blue room?
Yes.
This room I really love, and this is really ideal for a young teenager, somebody who needs extra space, or they can have a friend stay over. There's lots of room in here to do.
Bright space, windows, wraparound windows.
Yeah.
A bit of a privacy issue, perhaps, but
nothing drywall can't fix.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly. Very nice, and these guys are Leaf fans, so I like them already. And then, so this is the bathroom. This is the back corner of that bathroom that we were talking about. It is, a shower stall in here. And again, I'm totally livable. I can live in this, no problem. But you might want to upgrade stuff like this eventually.
Maybe. I wouldn't have. It's good enough. It's more than good enough. It's beautiful.
Yep. More storage space. That actually has rough-ins for laundry. So you can put a washer dryer in there.
Another closet here.
Another closet space. Amazing.
Endless closet space.
And then just to walk around and finish the loop on this floor. So that's where we were looking through the bedroom there. And then these stairs lead down to the back door and into the kitchen. So neat.
I'm impressed with your directional skills.
Primary bedroom.
Primary bedroom. Thank you. Or we could say this is like the grand suite of the bed and breakfast.
The most expensive suite.
Oh yes, grand suite of the bed and breakfast with your children staying in a room right next to you. The whole family can stay here, and you have a powder room going on.
Yeah, you'd have to use. Yeah, you'd have to make space of the use of the other bathroom down the hall. But yes.
I scared myself from that mirror behind me. Oh,
it's an older house. We were worried for a second. Anyways, it's a walk-in closet. That is grand.
Or this is just where you keep the supplies for your business.
Oh, sure, whichever. And then in the front of this primary bedroom, how neat is this? A little office space, a little place to hang out and do your work.
Little, it's bigger than ours.
Yeah, it is bigger
size.
than yours. That's true. It's not really little, but it is. It's a nicely. I don't know what I'm trying to say.
It's a good layout, and also it's bright, keeps you creative, airy.
Yes.
It's nice.
Yep.
And you should never work in your bedroom, so
you need
technically you're not.
outside. Right, exactly. Top floor.
There's
me. Hi. And there's Carrie, doing a dance, as always. Okay, so small bathroom here with a shower and tub, but it's a bit cramped for that one. But check out this room. You know, a little sitting area. There's your washer dryer. That's like a little kitchenette, but they've really basically been using it as an extended laundry room. But it has room for, you could put another apartment up here easily.
You could do another apartment or keep it as the bed and breakfast that I suggested. It's much easier.
You in the bed and breakfast.
It's a good idea. I'm not letting it go.
Check this out. The balcony on the back. This is so nice. Sit out here with your coffees in the morning.
I would pay for this.
Yeah. Sit out here late at night, have a couple of drinks.
Glass of wine.
Yeah. Or, whatever. And that's right down to
Read your paper in the morning.
Yeah.
How quiet is it? So quiet.
It's so nice. It is so nice. And it is radiant heat throughout this house, as you might imagine for a house this age. And the radiant heat seems to be in excellent shape. But they've also put these Slim Jim air conditioners everywhere. There's an air conditioner up on the roof as well, we just saw that we were looking at. They've thought through so much. They've taken such good care of this place and made sure it's comfortable everywhere.
And currently it's one family that lives in here. So during COVID, they all had a corner to go to.
Right. They had a space in the house that they could go to and not be bothered by everybody else when they needed to get some alone time.
Wonderful.
This is such a nice room. So they've turned this into a big TV room here. You could use it for anything you want, but it's such a nice space for that. Get away from everything else, hang out up here, watch a movie, head on the back porch for a little bit of air.
And look down on the people. Like you're so high up.
No kidding. Look, address the people. All right. So that was good. Whew, I'm a little winded. That was a big walkthrough.
Okay, listen. People out there, if anybody, that one person who's watching,
our fan, our listener,
mom, what do you think? Should this place be a future bed and breakfast in a very vibrant neighborhood that could use it, or another apartment?
Could it be
building?
Could it be a multi-unit? You could turn it right into a multi-unit place. You'd easily have 3 units in this. You could turn it into a single-family home with an income suite or a couple of income suites.
Sounds like a lot of work.
So what do you, Owning Toronto watchers, think? So vote for Carrie or vote for Shaun in the comments below and tell us what you think. Whether you think it should be what I think it should be, which is income property / single-family home.
I'm not sure you're convinced. I think you're on team bed and breakfast.
Well, bed and breakfast is a good idea. I don't deny it, but I still think my idea is better. So vote for Shaun or vote for Carrie. Let us know what you think.
Should we vote for Carrie or
No.
vote for Shaun?
Vote for her or Shaun. Vote for Shaun. SHAUN. Buying or selling, Owning Toronto takes care of your dwelling.